A shocking rumor circulating over the past few days, claiming that eggs contain cancer causing elements, has created fear among consumers, especially egg lovers. Addressing public concerns, Karnataka Health Minister Dinesh Gundurao has categorically dismissed the claim and assured citizens that eggs are completely safe for consumption. Following the spread of the rumor, the health minister directed the health department to scientifically verify the claims by testing eggs of all brands across Karnataka. Samples collected from various districts of the state were sent for laboratory analysis. According to the lab test reports, no carcinogenic or harmful substances were found in the eggs. The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India (FSSAI) has also confirmed that eggs are safe and pose no cancer risk. Speaking on the issue, Minister Dinesh Gundurao urged people not to fall prey to misinformation and to trust scientific evidence. He reiterated that eggs can be consumed without any fear or hesitation.